Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix packet loss and FPS drops in Dota 2. So, without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you to do here is to open up Task Manager. And then on Task Manager, go to Performance, go to on the dots, press on the dots, and press on Restores Monitor. And here, you will see all the apps and games and other is using your network connection. So when you're playing the game, and for example, if you're not using Razor Synapse, you can end all the tasks that you don't using while playing the game, right? It will help a lot. And if still the problem persists, first of all, I will just go to fast.com and check my internet connection. And after that, if you're getting good internet speed and stable, you're good to go. You can proceed with other steps. But if you're getting not quite good internet connection, what I suggest you to do here is to maybe limit some devices or restart your router, right? And after that, we can go with other steps. So first of all, just open up Steam, go to Dota 2, right click on it, properties, install files, browse. Copy the path of the files, or simply go to game, bin, Win64, and then copy the path, right? And then what you need to do here is to go to virus and threat protection, then go to here, manage virus and threat protection, and then go to exclusions. And then add an exclusion folder, and then copy the path, right? And with this, you need to be on this Dota 2. Select folder and leave it here. Then what you need to do here is to go to Windows Defender Firewall. Then go to allow an app feature to Windows Defender Firewall. Change settings. Allow another app. Browse. Then copy the path here. Add Dota 2.exe. Add. If you're getting this, it's already added, so you don't need to worry about it. Then you need to go to graphic settings. Then you need to change default settings, make sure it's on. Then go to Dota 2. If you can't find the Dota 2 here, it's on the list, so you just need to go to options and select the high performance. If you can't find it, Dota 2.exe file, then you just need to press browse here and copy the path again and add the Dota 2.exe file, right? And select the high performance. Then what I suggest you to do here is to edit power plan, go to power options, make sure it's on ultimate performance. If you don't have ultimate performance, go with high performance, right? And then you need to look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then you need to put a few commands here. First one is ipconfig/flush DNS, and another command is nesh winsock reset, right? After that, restart your computer and look if the problem persists. So this part, it's more for the packet loss. Then you need to go to settings, go to network and internet, then go to advanced network settings, and then here you should see network reset and reset now. Press reset now. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again, but if you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry about it. You don't need to do here nothing. All right, then go back, go to Ethernet or whatever connection you're using, go to more adapter options, go double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then use the following DNS server addresses and write 8.8.8.8 and on alternate 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and look if the problem persists. And then last few steps, what you can do here, you can open up Steam, go to Dota 2, right click on it, go to installed files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your files is corrupted and they need to be fixed. And then we can go with Dota 2 settings. On Dota 2, you just need to press on settings on the top left, go to video, and then here you can use advanced settings or you can use monitor's current resolution, but always use full screen because it will help with your FPS, right? And then on advanced settings, it only matters anime portrait and ambient occlusion. And then texture quality, FX quality, make it on low, and shadow quality, you can leave it on medium or just off if you want to, it depends only what you prefer, right? And then game screen render quality, make sure it's 100%, and maximum frames per second allowed. For me, it's 240 because my monitor is 240 hertz, but for you, you can just go with the exact amount of your monitor resources, right? And then it should work normally. There should be no packet loss or FPS drops. But still, if you're getting FPS drops, what I suggest to do here, and for some people it worked, you just need to right click on Dota, manage, uninstall, and reinstall again, and then maybe it will fix your problem. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please comment in the comment section below if it worked for you or not, and just like the video if I help you out, please. Yeah, that's pretty much it.